Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make spicy sauerkraut. First, select a firm head of cabbage, about 2 to 3 pounds, and remove any outer leaves. Next, finely shred the cabbage using a mandolin or a sharp knife. This ensures even fermentation and a consistent texture. Remember to wash your hands thoroughly before handling any ingredients to maintain a clean environment for your ferment. Now, let's add the spice. Incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of red pepper flakes or finely chopped fresh chilies into your shredded cabbage. Then, sprinkle 2% of the cabbage's weight in non-iodized salt over the mixture. Begin to massage the cabbage vigorously with your hands. This process breaks down the cell walls, releasing natural juices to create the brine needed for fermentation. Once enough brine has formed, tightly pack the spicy cabbage into a clean, sterilized jar, pressing down firmly to remove air pockets. Make sure all the cabbage remains submerged under the brine. You can use a fermentation weight if needed. Seal the jar with an airlock lid or burp it daily. Allow it to ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 7 days. After 3 days, begin tasting your sauerkraut daily until it reaches your preferred level of tanginess and spice. Once it's perfect, transfer the jar to your refrigerator to slow down the fermentation process. Your delicious spicy sauerkraut will keep well in the fridge for several months, ready to enhance any meal. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.